This is Ethan Hoffman with eXp Realty. Welcome to Babcock Ranch, a new community called The Sanctuary, built by William Ryan Homes. Today, I'm going to do a tour of the Sanibel model. It starts in the low 400s, has 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage, and a 2,083 square feet. Please call me at 931-436-5507 to take a tour of this beautiful home, this community, and to learn about its amenities and its beautiful city called Babcock Ranch. Please like and subscribe. Be sure to check out my Facebook group called Inside Babcock Ranch, where I post tours of the model homes, builder incentives, and resale homes, and other information about the community. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment, and subscribe.